How's it going, guys? Welcome back, and today I'm going to show you guys a little example here with NordVPN and unblocking Netflix. Now, if you didn't know, Netflix has been heavily cracking down on VPN traffic, making it very difficult for a lot of VPNs to unblock Netflix libraries. So of course, NordVPN is also having a little bit of trouble when it comes to specifically the US library. So if you find that it's not working for you, you can just go to NordVPN, and what they'll do is that if there are any available servers or functioning servers that work with a certain library that you're, for example, not able to unblock, they will give you a little recommendation, for example, like a specific number of server or something like that. And if they don't have that solution, they'll just tell you to wait until the next hour or perhaps the next day, or, until they actually fix the problem. Because it's a constant game of cat and mouse with Netflix and VPNs where, Netflix is constantly blocking all the IP addresses provided by the VPNs, and then the VPN providers have to unblock these IP addresses so that users can access the desired libraries. So in this case, I'm just going to quickly show you guys or demonstrate using the UK library, for example, because remember, if one library doesn't work, that does not mean that other libraries are not working. It's just that for the most part, the US library seems to be the one library that is very difficult to unblock. So at times it may not work. But for example, let's say the UK library is definitely going to be one of those libraries that do work. And most of the other libraries around, Italian library, the French library, the German library, whatever it is, most of them do work quite well. So NordVPN is definitely not having any trouble with those. And I'm just going to demonstrate here with the UK library. Of course, I'm using the NordLynx protocol, which would be the best performing protocol. So we're going to go ahead and try that out now that I'm connected. Of course, I'm looking up top coppers, which I could not find, as you can tell, because I'm not in the UK. And on this website, according to this website, it is only available in the UK. So unogs.com will show you which shows are available in which countries. So here, all I need to do is just refresh and I should be good to go. Top coppers, there it is. So it really is as simple as that. So again, if you guys are interested in NordVPN, you'll find links to special deals and discounts in the description down below, as well as full-on reviews if you'd like to know the ins and outs of these VPNs in terms of privacy policy, speed, streaming, and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features. So be sure to keep that in mind if you guys are interested. Also, when it comes to, let's say, the plans, let's say you signed up for a plan, no worries, you can still try NordVPN for 30 days for free because they do have a 30-day money-back guarantee on all of their plans, so no worries there if you ever change your mind. Besides that, thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a wonderful day.